Hello everyone, this is man again, and today I'm going to show you how to use different operators in C. Operators are a symbol which gives command to computer to perform a specific task, arithmetic task or logical task. Anyway, there are different types of operators in C. You can also use arithmetic operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and different types of you will show you how many types of operators are there. Well, for now you may just write down how many types of operators are there in C. There is an logical operator, there is an arithmetic operator, there is an assignment operators, and so on. So we have first I'm going to show you what are arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, these are plus, which will add, there is minus, which will subtract, and then there is multiply, which multiplies to numbers, and then division, and there is a modular operator which will give the result of remainder when dividing, remainder operator. Well, I'll show you what is different between these two. For now we are going to work with the arithmetic operators. As we know, as I've told you in my previous tutorials about variable defining formula specifier, now I'm going to show you about these operators. First, let's make a variable int a equals to 6 and b equals to 4. You can also do this int a comma b and then a equals to 6 and b equals to 4. It means same. You may assign differently, or you may assign these things independently, individually. Okay, so we are going to use different operators, arithmetic operators. There is quotation, percentage d, and a comma. We are going to add percentage d. There are 3 percentage d. It means our data type is integer and we want the integer answer in printf. This first a, then b, and then a plus b plus b. You may use this. So the output will be this a is going to work with this d, this b is going to work with this d, and the a plus b will add these numbers, will add a and b, whose values is are 6 and 4, and the result will be in this percentage d. So we are now going to check. There it is, 6, 4, and 10. 6 plus 4 and 10, there is an answer. So now same thing for a minus b. 6, 4 and minus 2. Okay, and same thing for multiply. The answer should be 24 at the end. Yep. And for this, I'm going to have an answer of 6, 4 and 1 if you divide 6. Now just look at the number, why it is going giving 1, because if we divide 6 by 4 it does not completely divide, so 1 point something. And if you want a percentage f answer, I mean if you want to divide it completely, you may go with percentage f. Now this should give an answer. I mean this is still giving 0 because we are working with two integer values and we want a floating value, which is not possible in C language. So let me give you an example of 8. Okay, percentage d. Now the answer should be 2. They write like this: 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so now there is an modular operator which is going to work with like this. Now just look at the difference. What's the difference between the 8, 4, 0? What is 0? If we divide 8 by 4 like this 8, 4, 4 2s are 8, 0. By subtracting we get 0. This is modulus, and this is divide. I hope you have understood what is the difference between these two. What is the difference between these two? Anyway, so these are the basic arithmetic operators, and if you want to go with some trigonometric operators, square root, power, you have to add include math.h, and you can then able to find sine, cos, tan, and you can do square, you can give multiple powers, you can do whatever you like. However, for now I'm just going to show you these basic operators. Okay, now there is then logical operators. What logical operators are? Logical operators are used when we want the compiler to take decision. If this is, then do this, otherwise do this. These are very important and basic logical operators which you will find in most of the languages. I mean almost in every language of every programming language. Okay, there are 3 types of logical operators. Number 1 is AND, OR, and NOT. In AND logical operator, the symbol is double ampersand. For OR, it's this button. It's not an I, not even L. It's a special character you may find in US keyboard. You may find it in below backspace, and in UK keyboard you may find it in underneath caps lock. Okay, and this is NOT operator, which is exclamation mark and equals to. These operators, they are very useful. Okay, and in AND operator, it works when we need this AND operator when we want to satisfy all the conditions, like we want to have if a equals to 2, a is 2 and b is 2, then we'll use if a is 2 and b is 2, then do this specific task. This is how it works. It means you have to satisfy all the conditions between and in or you need to you have the compiler have the choice to satisfy any condition. If any of the condition gets satisfied, this do this, like if you want if b's value is 2 or a values is 1, then and the compiler find the value b is 3 and a is 1. Okay, no problem, we have found a equals to 1, then do this task. It means you need to satisfy any of the one condition and it will work. I will show you in detail when going with loops and condition control structures. If else and not equals to, like if a is not equal to 8, then do this. So it will check if a is really not equal to 8, it will perform the given task, or else it will skip the task. Okay, then there is assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. How this works? Assignment operators, right? In assignment operators, you assign them with different values. Like if like this, I'll show you in this example. A equals to 8. We want to add 1 in a value. We go with a equals to, a is definitely 8. It means a plus 1. What does it do? What will it do? A, assign the value in a which is already 8. The value will be assigned a equals to 8. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So it will assign the value in a 9. Then the value will be 9. Just look at this example what I'm going to show you. Printf %d comma a. Now let's look at this example. You can see this printf %d giving the value of a. Okay, it's 8, right, fine. And then we assign the value in a, the value of a plus 1, yani it means a whose value is 8, 8 plus 1 9, and printf a. Then the value will be assigned to a, and the previous value which is 8 will be destroyed, and the new value which is 9 will be there in a, and the printf you can see there. You can also do this, and in assignment operator you can also do this, like a plus equals to 1. This means this thing and this thing both are same. Both will add 1 in the current variable. If we go with 5, then it will do 8 plus 5. Just look at this. Now what is the value of a? It's 8, and then we will increase the value to 5. So 8 plus 5 equals to 13. You can see the result there. Okay, we have forgot our semicolon. there it is. You can see 8, and then it increased the value of 5, and then it's 13. You can do this like multiply, division, subtraction, and etc. These are called assignment operators. Then there is our relational operators. What does relation operator mean? It means we compare two values like we had done in logic operators. We do not compare their values. We make compiler to check if both values are satisfying the condition which is given by a programmer. In relation operator, we compare two values in different form, like this is a less sign, this is an operator, this is a greater operator, and this is an comparing operator, like this. This is an equality operator, and then there is less than equals to, greater than equal to, like this. Okay, how does this work? We say you will in condition control structure, in if else you will need these operators, and in looping and other things you will need the relational operator. Will say, now just look at this. I don't want to confuse you with this, with equals to. This means it will check if the value is satisfying the condition, like if a equals to 5. It means if a equals to 5, then do this, like it is also comparing the value, and this is assigning the value. So don't confuse this single equals to with double equals to. This is for comparing, and this equals to is for assigning the value. And now how does the value assign? Like a has 8 and b has 4. We want to make b, the value of a, to the b, so b value equals to a. Now here you will see we'll be having the value of b in a, value of a in b, sorry, like this. Now you can see the value of a has been transferred to a, and then there is an answer of b, which is 8, the value of a, which is no more. So these are the operators which is widely used for comparing purposes and iteration purposes. In the next video you will be learning how to do looping, and first I'll tell you how to work with if, and difference between if, else, then else, and if, else, if, and so on. If you have any problem, any query, make sure to comment and below, and you can contact me for any queries. Thank you for watching.